All right, so we are gonna do a corn and tomato salad. The corn's in season, tomatoes in season, jalapeno peppers are in season, Mr. Tesher, Mr. Temptations is in season. Grilled this corn and then cut it off.
Known as
The corn guy. This is 5 ears of corn. Look, I mean, even though the recipe calls for cherry tomatoes, I'm gonna use my own tomatoes. I don't mean to brag or anything, but our tomatoes are very juicy. So I'm just gonna dice the tomato here.
Amazing.
5 ears of corn, 2 cut tomatoes. I'm actually gonna cut a third tomato because I feel like we can do it.
And the first thing that
The lime just smells amazing. I zested the lime. So 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 2 or 1? 2. Boy, I gotta tell you, you gotta really measure apple cider vinegar because, ooh, that's got some flavor. Okay, apple cider vinegar. We're gonna add a little kosher salt. We're gonna put a little black pepper in there. I kind of wanted to do the jalapeno pepper last. Let's do some basil, parsley,
sage, rosemary.
so this is a super easy summer salad that you absolutely must try. We love you guys. Be happy. Thanks for spending some time with us. We love it. And we'll see you all real soon. Bye.
See you.